it's Victor here from Checkpoint with the new Checkpoint Protector Office device. This device is a very compact unit, as you can see right here. It has no fans, so there's a very low noise and you can easily have it in your office without any interruption. When you power it on, you get the interface right here where you can simply log in and set up the software, or you can manage it over the network and log in with your web browser. It comes with 2 network ports, so you can easily run in bridge mode as well. You also get the Wi-Fi adapter, so you can set up the Wi-Fi Defender and block for remote Wi-Fi attackers. You also get full firewall and VPN functionality, anti-spam, antivirus, and for the mail scanning you get the deep scanning. And that means the devices comes with a minimum of 250 GB drives or bigger. When you get a device it might even be 300 or 500 GB, and it is doing full scanning of the mails. That means it will scan the content of the mails, and it will also store the mails on the hard drive if you want to. So you're also getting a mail backup and a mail server. It also features the web filtering, and with the web filtering you can block in certain periods of time. For example, you can block from 9 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock and then leave it off from 12 to 1 o'clock, and you can set up your own policy. And you can block sites such as Facebook, YouTube and eBay. So in working hours you control the full surfing on the internet. You also get the content filter and intrusion prevention, so you can block incoming attacks and set up policies for the content on your network. And with the alert center you will get a notification automatically about the status on your device and if you're under attack, and you can see it very fast. And the device will update automatically several times a day to get the latest protection for the latest threats. So for more information about the protector, please visit checkpoint.com, or you can log into the VIP lounge where you can order devices. So for more information, please visit checkpoint.com. Thank you.